Everyone, so my name is Arthur. What I'm going to be going over today is how you make a great Americano. So a few things you'll need is a manual press, a Flair brand. It's actually pretty good, a little bit pricey. I also would suggest having a manual grinder. They actually provide a very accurate grind. And you also need a thermal kettle, which will actually read the temperatures really accurately. And it will be very important when it comes to making a perfect espresso. And you'll also need a little scale to weigh out how much water you're using and how much beans you're using. And you got a little water bottle here, make sure it's filtered too. And last but not least, a coffee of your choice. And with all that being said, let's move on to the rest of the video.